Guess the job by emoji. Can you guess the job?
This is engineer.
Can you guess the job? This is firefighters. Can you guess the job?
This is policeman.
Can you guess the job? This is lawyer. Can you guess the job?
This is hairdresser.
Can you guess the job? Mechanic. Can you guess the job? Baker. Can you guess the job? Doctor. Can you guess the job? Great start. This is a teacher. Can you guess the job?
This is dentist.
Can you guess the job? This is newsreader. Can you guess the job? This is banker. Can you guess the job? This is plumber.
Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.